Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Hurricane Beryl moves close to Jamaica with a dangerously high wind and waves. Soon, the core of the Hurricane Beryl is expected to pass near or over the southern parts of the Jamaica, a US National Hurricane Center spokesman says. Gusts well into the Category 3 or Category 4 hurricane range across much of the inland is expected, and that means wind speeds of up to 249 kilometers per hour were expected. Hurricane conditions are expected in Jamaica in the coming hours. The storm is about 125 kilometers away from the city of Kingston and is moving at 18 miles per hour. The eye of Beryl is expected to approach the Cayman Islands later tonight. Maximum sustained winds are still 145 miles per hour with the stronger gust Category 4. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has released a composite satellite image over the Caribbean Sea showing Hurricane Beryl approaching Jamaica. The United States National Hurricane Center has warned of a devastating life-threatening storm surge and damaging waves in the parts of the Jamaica and Cayman Islands. Hurricane Beryl's passage through the Caribbean is expected to cause heavy rainfall, which could lead to life-threatening flash floods and mudslides in Haiti's Tiburon Island, and localized flash floods are also expected in the Belize, where the National Hurricane Center predicts about 2 to 6 inches of the rainfall. The warning adds that there is still some uncertainty about the Beryl's path over the western Gulf of Mexico and that it should continue to be monitoring for the next couple of days. Usually, such strong storms only develop later in the season after the seas have heated up through the summer. But exceptionally high sea surface temperatures have been seen as a key reason why Hurricane Beryl has been so powerful and arrived so soon. Hurricanes generally need a sea surface to be at least 27 degrees Celsius in order to have a chance of developing. Scientists are linking that to human-led climate change. And that's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.